This we do. That oil's been sitting for a while, so we're going to pour it slowly into the bucket. Once we start seeing this stuff out, we can get a little of this in there. I'm not worried. We just don't want to dump it all in there because the pantyhose don't strain this cream stuff. That's proteins and all sorts of junk we don't really need. Now, when we react to biodiesel, this is what we're actually going to get when we first do it. There might even be a better sample of it. No. Yeah. You're going to get what's up here. Notice it's not very clear, but it sort of is. Glycerin and biodiesel. And once we refine it, we will get this. Very clear, burnable. This is 2 years old.
Could we drink that if we wanted?
You could digest it. It's not. It's in this state. It's harmless. But this literally would react still in there. Whatever this batch that I made, these batches, for 2 years for fuel to stay good, it's quite remarkable. This is still good.
Can we see how combustible it is?
No.
Actually, that's the interesting thing about biodiesel. I'm glad you kind of brought that up. Biodiesel is not actually flammable. Flammable is gasoline will explode. Biodiesel is combustible. It's like the same rating as paper. It will burn, but it doesn't explode. It's actually fairly safe to work with, so it's not like we are working with a flammable liquid. However, the methanol over here, I'm going to point out, we're not. You guys are never going to touch that without me present, and I'm probably going to do most of the cranking of that out. We have to mix the potassium hydroxide and the methanol, but that's kind of a hazardous thing. Once we get making biodiesel, we're going to do that. You got to put that one board across safely. Actually, you could probably glue it upside down if you want it right now, but maybe, no, it'd be better if you put it there so you can see the valve.
Yeah, no, don't like the jewel. Don't like the jewel.
Yeah, no, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine.
Okay, so what I usually do is put a knot in here just so the toes, nothing would come out of it. But what you do is you just put it over the bucket. It seems crude, but it's quite effective. You don't have to open that. You could have left it in the cardboard. And then it goes over the bucket. Now you can't pour too fast. Now, crouch down. Felix, hold the bucket on the sides. Crouch down. You're going to get your hands wet doing that. Now, with this, you got to pick it up. Now, you don't want to spray Felix, so I'm going to be 90 degrees to him. And you start doing that. Oh, you can smell it. It smells good. Now, a little cream's going to come out. Big deal. There's not much we can do.
Coming out the biodiesel.
And it will have trapped stuff we don't want. Now we can let it drip out. Now the oil's coming out there, we're actually straining out. Nothing but the real heavy solids are in there.
What if this was one pizza? This was made from one pizza.
Oh, that suck.
I think we would all be dead by now.
That's not like orange stuff.
Oh god, it's like a sponge.
It smell like.
Yeah, you guys are gonna have to tell us which one am I going with? This one smells flatter. It's flatter. It's awfully stable. Oh, this one doesn't smell. Together, I thought they were wonderful together. That's what this smells like.
Yeah, you got to dig it out. It's in that tub under the nice man who's helping us. If I knock it out, it should be in there in a plastic bag.
Find it.
Well,
If not, it's in the other toe.
I checked in the other time.
No, that's all steel, isn't it? It's in here.
The other way you want it.
First we need to take this out. Second, it could be in that bag.
Frame. The wires attached to something.
And the other thing is,
Okay? So now what we do is we take this red wire, run it down to here, put it under our same terminal, get it down to here because you want it as.
look in one of those drawers. There might be one in there. I bought a couple extras.
Yeah, guys are not in check that.
Probably we always like to use these. So we use, I would cut the end off so it's not exposed. Cut the end off it so it's not exposed. And then
Yeah, we're going to put it eventually. In time, we're going to cheat. I decided to buy it.